Hello, Gambia. Yalon ni mi yebu jawola akoke kolea ma poop on poopy now see you transport. You know what I mean? Now we are making up things and mom tamit. You know what I mean? Secretary change and why come kama poop on poop now.
No mean change. We can change if you have to change.
Change na. Come change na man change na Gambia why? Change na Manila. This is our minister. And he's a youth and sport minister. So, despite the jovial side, but you see the caliber and the type he is, means with genuinity and discipline, his doors are open for every Gambian youth. So, in Gambian youth, if I can come here, you can come here. Ñëw leen ak njëkk ak teraanga. Suma fee ñëw. Waaye dama fi puub waaye dama puuboon puubu ñaaw fii. Te xeet bi baaxut. Xeet bi baaxut so foog ma ñëwaat clean ko.